Having glowing skin in just 1 week is possible with the right routine. It is not about expensive products, it is about consistent cleansing, moisturizing, protection, and healthy daily habits. Follow some simple steps to boost your natural glow and keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. Determining your skin type. Know your skin type. Dry, oily, combination, normal, and sensitive skin each need different care. Identify yours first to treat it correctly and get a healthy glow. Cleanse your face with a mild cleanser to remove dirt, makeup, and oil. Pat dry gently with a towel without rubbing or irritating your skin. After cleansing and drying, wait 30 minutes. Gently press tissue on your T-zone, forehead, and nose to test for oil. Now look at the tissue. If your skin feels tight and flaky, it's dry. If there's lots of shine and visible oil, it's oily. If only your forehead and nose are oily, you have combination skin. If there's just a little oil and no flakes, your skin is normal. And if your face gets red, stings, or burns easily, your skin is sensitive and needs extra gentle products. Following CTM. Follow a simple CTM routine daily. Cleanse, tone, moisturize in the morning and at night. If your skin is dry or sensitive, do CTM once a day and focus on gentle cleansing plus moisturizer at night. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week for normal or oily skin, and 1 to 2 times a week for dry or sensitive skin. Use a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type. Rinse with warm water, massage cleanser in circular motions over face and neck, then rinse and pat dry. Cream cleansers suit dry skin. Gel cleansers work well for makeup removal. Always remove makeup before bed to avoid clogged pores. Apply toner with a cotton pad on your T-zone or oily areas. If your skin is dry or sensitive, choose a gentle formula. Patch test first and avoid overdrying. After cleansing, apply a moisturizer suited to your skin type. Use a light, oil-free formula for oily skin. Choose one with SPF during the day to protect from sun damage. Use an eye cream to hydrate the thin under-eye area. Gently pat a small amount along the orbital bone to help with dryness, dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. And monitoring your lifestyle habits. Stay stress-free to protect your skin's glow. When you feel overwhelmed, your body produces more cortisol, which boosts oil and breakouts and can deepen frown lines. Reduce stress where you can and aim for about 7 hours of sleep to keep your skin calm. Avoid greasy, junk, and high sugar foods as they can trigger breakouts. Choose balanced meals with whole foods to help keep your skin clear. Nourish your skin from the inside out by choosing foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats. Go for colorful fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, eggs, lean meats, and fatty fish to get selenium, CoQ10, and vitamins A, C, and E that protect against damage, repair, and maintain moisture. Include omega-3 and omega-6 sources like salmon, flax seeds, and healthy oils to keep your skin soft and smooth. A daily cup of green tea can also help reduce inflammation and support a clearer, healthier glow. Drink plenty of water daily to keep your skin hydrated, flush out toxins, and support healthy, glowing skin. Aim for about 8 glasses a day. Exercise regularly to boost blood flow, reduce stress, and nourish your skin. Shower and cleanse after sweating to avoid breakouts. Use sunscreen every day to protect your skin from damage, sunspots, and worse breakouts. Choose a non-comedogenic formula suited to your skin type, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Avoid touching your face, picking blemishes, or resting on your hands, as this transfers oil and bacteria that can cause acne. Clean your phone daily to reduce germs on your skin. Stay consistent with these habits, and you'll start to see your natural glow shine through. Thanks for watching.